Good morning guys, in front of me is Motorola Moto G54 and let me show you how to clear browsing data. So first of all, we have to open the browser that you are using. In my case it is Google Chrome. Then tap on more icon and reach history. Select clear browsing data and now mark those information that you want to remove. Then choose the time range. So you can remove history from past hour, 1 day, 7 days, 4 weeks or all time. To perform a full cleanup, you need to select all time. And now just tap on clear data. Well, that's it, that would be all. You can go back and now create your history from scratch. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.